Alright, so when you actually get this and you're able to push it in, it requires a certain amount of strength to get in there. And then you can put this back in here, like so. This will go on top here like this, and it feels like it's a tight squeeze. But then you'll just sort of grab the little screw. That's hard to put in, apparently. When you have big manly fingers. Okay. Done. And now the only thing that's left is to see if this thing even turns on. And I guess this should be the turn. Yeah, there we go. It works. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you soon.